Updating the firmware on your Luxor system ensures your system runs efficiently with the latest features and improvements. Before you start, first, save a copy of your current settings to avoid any data loss. Make sure the controller stays connected to a stable power source during the update to prevent interruptions. From the Luxor Controller's face pack, navigate to the firmware screen by selecting Setup, and then Firmware. Identify the current firmware version. Compare controller firmware versions on the Luxor Controller to the firmware revisions on the Luxor product page on fxl.com. Visit the FX Luminaire website. Open the Firmware tab. Download the latest firmware files and transfer them to a standard size SD card. Copy the downloaded firmware file to the root directory of the SD card. Avoid placing it in any folders so the controller can detect it. Insert the SD card with the updated firmware files into the slot located on the side of the Luxor Controller's face pack. Scroll to Setup, then choose Firmware. Select the firmware type and press Update. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the firmware update process. Do not power off the controller or remove the SD card during the update. Return to the system settings and verify that the firmware version matches the one you downloaded. Keeping your FX Luminaire Luxor firmware updated ensures optimal performance and access to the latest features and improvements. Thank you for choosing FX Luminaire. For more information, go to fxl.com.